Alright, who out here in the DFW knows this car? I know I got some people out here in the DFW that watch this channel. Roy Customs. Who knows this lowrider? That's 77 Monte Carlo. Been sitting for a while. That sun faded that paint job. Friendly Dallas. Wish I had the other part of it. I think it's another piece to it, ain't it? Or is that it? No, maybe not. I took the tail lights, wheels. United Lowrider Console, Tarrant County. Yeah. See the hopping springs over there. There's a VIN, like broken in two pieces. That says, is that 1 or IH57U7R466082. It looks, I tried to drop the hood, but the hinges are stuck. Boy. 305. Looks to be for the most part all there. Let's look at the trunk real quick. I had to ask to come over here. We're on the other side of the yard here. They'll let you if you ask. So I just tried to walk in and go, "Hey, what are you doing?" I've been able to do it sometimes, but you know, yeah. Bonafide lowrider, man. Hydraulics and all. Well, what's left of it, anyways. Yep. Yeah. Anybody want to shed some light on it, let me know. Alright, man. That's gonna do it for this one. Not much else to talk about.